Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you the 3 different ways that you can upload an assignment to Schoology. So I'm actually on the high school page that Mr. Nelson has made for teachers because there are assignments and things that we have to submit to him. And so I'm going to open up this assignment called Celebration because it requires a submission from me. Once I have that assignment open, on the side here it says Submit an Assignment. This brings me to a little pop-up menu, and this menu shows me the 3 different ways that I can upload material. I can upload a file, I can create a file, or I can add from my resources. So first I'm going to show you how to upload a file. To do that, I'm actually going to go back to the original document, and in order to put this on Schoology, I need to make it into a PDF. To do that, I'm going to select File, Download, and then I'm going to select PDF Document. This will download it to my computer, and then I need to save it to my desktop. Once it's saved to my desktop, I need to go back to the Celebrations assignment. I'll select File. It brings me to my desktop. I'm able to select my Celebrations PDF, and then I can submit. This shows that I have made a submission, and it shows that it's on time. Next, I'm going to show you your other strategy. So to show you, I'm just going to select Resubmit Assignment, and I'm going to pretend like I haven't submitted this yet. So my next option is to create. When I create, it gives me a space to type in, but since I've already typed this up on a Google Doc, I'm going to go back to that Google Doc. I'm going to highlight everything. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it straight into this assignment sheet here. You'll notice that it didn't copy my last name and page number, and that's because this isn't really going to give me page breaks. It's just going to let me type forever and ever, and so it's not really necessary to have page numbers if you use the Create option. Once I'm okay with my work and it looks great, I can hit Submit. And now I have just submitted a second document. And lastly, I want to show you how you can use your third and last option, which would be using that resources function. To do so, I need to go back to this Google Doc, and I need to follow the same steps that I've just showed you, and I need to make this into a PDF if you haven't made it into a PDF yet. Since I've already made it into a PDF, I'm just going to go back to my page. I'm going to select Resources. I can add a resource. I'll go down to File. I'll attach the file. I'll select my Celebrations PDF, and then I'm going to select Add. This is kind of like a locker where I can keep all of my work. So now that it has been successfully added to my resources, I'm going to go back to my courses page. I'll open up that celebration assignment. I'm going to select resources, and it lets me select that celebrations PDF. Next, I need to hit import, and I have submitted it successfully. So those are your 3 options for submitting an assignment to Schoology. Thanks for watching!